I think what really sets Altasciences apart in terms of the pathology services is really how we are, spread out also across America with different preclinical sites having each their own specialties, their own niche, if I may say, their own staff as well, with different expertise. For example, we have the Scranton site in Pennsylvania, and they do a lot of ocular work. We have the Columbia site in Missouri. They will do a lot of work on miniature swine, which is another niche that we have at Altasciences. And also the Seattle site is really more focused on non-human primates and neuropathology, gene therapy, oncology work. So we have all kinds of experts spread out in those sites with lots of experience as well.
We also at Altasciences, our pathology team is really built on a lot of very strong individuals. And we have, that depth of knowledge. We have very experienced pathologists who work on mentoring very closely with our more junior pathologists. We have just that diversity in our clinical pathologists and our pathologists that I think really sets us apart.
Yeah, totally.